For thoracic rotation, pails and rails, you're going to need a yoga block or a foam roller and an anchor point of some kind. So a kettlebell, a heavy dumbbell will work, or a squat rack, and then adjust yourself to it. So you're going to lay on your side, going to tuck your knees up and crush the block between your knees. Super important that your knees stay stacked up here, or else you're rotating down into your low back, and keeping them stacked here will isolate the movement to your mid back. So you can also grab a yoga block or something to support your head if you feel like you need it. If you rotate open enough, it's gonna be comfortable to just let your head drop down. So whatever works best for you. You're gonna lock your bottom hand to your top knee here, keep that block crushed, take a breath in, and then exhale and grab your anchor point. Okay, from here, you're going to turn, look at your hand, make sure your head is rotated. I'm gonna look at the video and talk to you, but you can rotate and look at your hand. Take some nice easy breaths. You're going to start to apply some pressure down, pulling yourself deeper into rotation. You're gonna hang out here for 1 to 2 minutes and apply the pails and rails concept. So a 1 to 2 minute hold, nice mild to moderate stretch, breathing into it. After your passive stretch, you're going to slowly, moving from the rib cage, okay, your anchor point is just, your shoulder is just isolating, okay, that anchor point. So you're not pulling from your arm or your shoulder, you're pulling from your rib cage and your spine here as you work to come out of your rotation. So you're going to slowly start to ramp up, breathing into that core, make sure the knees stay stacked up. Think 10% at a time, 20%, 30, 40, etc. Ramping up between 20 and 80 to 100% based on your comfort level, all underneath any kind of pain threshold. If you're getting any kind of discomfort, decrease your intensity underneath that, okay? Once you get to your intensity, you're going to hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Try to breathe, keep the pressure consistent unless you have pain, and then back down out of it. Breathing into that, okay, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you're going to relax. Take a breath. Now you're going to pull yourself deeper into the stretch. You're going to do this actively as well as assisted. Keep pulling off of your anchor point. So you're going to actively use your core to rotate and get deeper into that twist. Keep the knees stacked up. And you're gonna hold and pull for 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and now you're gonna relax. You're back into a passive stretch. You can assist with that anchor point, or you can just use gravity to sink down into it, depending on what your mobility is like. Okay, that is round 1. Ideally, you repeat that for 1 to 2 more times for a total of 2 to 3 rounds. So a 1 to 2 minute passive stretch, ramp up to your intensity, 10 to 15 second hold, pulling out of your stretch, okay, all isometric, and then 10-second pull deeper into your stretch. That is pails and rails for thoracic rotation.